Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you about CSS padding property. Let's dive in. So I have here a single div container with a paragraph element and a header. Now using padding property we are going to set the spacing. Setting this padding to a specific value, let's say 50 pixels, this will provide a padding on all corners, right, left, top and bottom. So let's run this and see. Now you can see that the padding of 50 pixels is applied on all sides. If you want the padding to be on a specific side, for example only on the left side, just change this one to left and this will apply only on the left side. Likewise, if you want it to be on the top, for example, you can change this one to padding top and this will apply only on the top. For the right, just change this one to padding right. And bottom, change this to bottom and see that this will apply to the bottom. Now using a specific padding like left, right, this helps us when you want to set different values on different sides. However, if you want all of the sides to have the same padding, just use the padding. If the value is the same, just use this one. But if you want to set separate values, then you can set them all separately. Like for example, let's say this one padding left 40, and then I want on the top padding top, I want this one to be 70 pixel. Let's run this one. Now you can see that different padding values applied on the left and on the top. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more like this, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.